Okay, so I just got the plane started. Everything's just coming up here. We got oil pressure, we got amperage. Basically, avionics are not on, nothing's on. And then here's my my temperature. So it's right at 90 degrees inside here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the vent. Put this in the vent. Hopefully that'll stick. Okay, so I got the vent. So there it is. It's what's that, like 90? So now I'm going to turn the air on. I'm going to go ahead and turn the fan on. I just put it to medium and turn the air on. So now, I'm going to look here and see how that temperature works. You can see it starting to come down. About a minute for it to cycle through and get cool. It should end up at around 50 degrees. It's already starting to get cool in the cabin here. Very nice because we got 4 vents blowing. So I got the vent. I'm going to turn the fan to high. Turn the fan to high. Let's see what happens here. So you can see it's coming right down to 50 degrees, which is where we want it coming out of the vent. Taxiing along, and you gotta have passengers that are comfortable. It's real nice. You got vents here for the pilots. You got vents there for the passengers. It makes it real nice and comfortable. Again, as you can see, that's on high, right at 50 degrees. So, it's a 40-degree difference in the outside temperature. So I just wanted to show you that the air works really great in this plane. So to turn it off, you just turn it off, put that down, and that's it. Now, if you turn the fan on, the air is still cool coming out. So when you take off, you just turn the compressor off. As you can see, it's still blowing cool air. So as you take off, you keep the fan on, and it will maintain the coolness until you get to altitude. And as you can see, it's starting to slowly come up now because the compressor's off.